In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Microsoft login error in Minecraft Launcher. So let's get started. We're going to be looking at some potential fixes. So let's get started with our first one, which is check your internet connection. So I'm just going to write it down. Check your internet connection. So ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection because a weak or a slow internet connection can cause login issues. The next one we have is verify your Minecraft account credentials. Verify your credentials. So double check your Microsoft username and password for any typos or errors. Try logging into your Microsoft account on the official Microsoft websites to verify your credentials. And if they don't work, try resetting your password and then continuing with logging in your account. The next one we have is updating your Minecraft launcher. Update Minecraft launcher. So make sure you're using the latest version of the Minecraft launcher because outdated versions may have compatibility issues. The next one we have is clear Minecraft cache and cookies. So clear Minecraft cache and cookies. So go to the Minecraft launcher settings and clear the cache and cookies because this can sometimes resolve login issues. The next one we have is disable VPN slash proxies. So disable VPN slash proxy. So if you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily to see if it resolves the issue. The next one we have is check Microsoft account status. So check Microsoft account status. So verify that your Microsoft account is active and in good standing. There might be temporary issues or restrictions on your account that are preventing you from logging in. Now the last one, if none of these issues work, is to obviously contact their customer support. So customer support, you got to contact them. So I'm just gonna write that there. So if none of these above solutions work, reach out to the Microsoft support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot your account and resolve any specific login issues. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.